Here's an exciting deal alert from softwaretrailers.com. We're proud to present a lifetime deal for email writer software. You may get lifetime access for only $59 if you get it now. If your marketing emails are not converting, or you are having trouble with your email marketing campaigns, then you should try Email Writer. Email Writer is a great tool that enables users to create high-converting emails by simply answering a couple of questions about your product or service. Without any copywriting knowledge, you may write single emails and email sequences with Email Writer. To get started, simply choose your specialization or industry to see all of the many types of emails that are common in that business. You can also get all the emails you need as an affiliate to advertise your own or other people's products, regardless of your business or specialization. After the emails have been prepared, review them and make any necessary changes before sending them to your mailing list. With Email Writer, you can even make your reusable templates. Choose different templates that are proven to convert. You just have to modify them to meet your target market. Access all of your stored projects and customized templates, or instantly create a new project with just a few taps. Email Writer also supports over 100 languages, allowing you to widen your reach to customers all over the world. With Email Writer, create high-converting emails easily. Get lifetime access now. Save as much as $1,400 if you get our lifetime deal for Email Writer. Lifetime deal starts at only $59. You can grab this incredibly low price and get lifetime access to Email Writer. What are you waiting for? Check out more details and get lifetime access today at a great price. Save big with Email Writer lifetime deal. Click the link below for more details. Check out other current software lifetime deals available on the right side of your screen. You will probably find a software solution that's right for you. Hit that like button and subscribe to get our latest software deals at discounted prices. Thanks for watching. See you next time.